So, I'm figuring this thing out. Now, one thing I've noticed right now is, what I've noticed is that it is not adjusting for how bright it is outside my window. And that has something to do with the metering. Got to figure out how to fix that. And to figure out why I'm so dang red. Okay, so I put the color, I put it to auto white balance. I don't know how much of this you're going to hear. It's kind of neat, riding with it in my hands. I wonder what's going to happen if I pick it up. It's looking at the seal instead of me. Got to figure out how to get it to do the face track a little bit better. I'm recording right now, and I'm holding this little Feiyu Pocket camera. I love it. I do. And then, okay, now I've spun it around, it's looking ahead. Well, what do you want to do next, Michael? I want to be able to double tap the button or something. Oh my gosh. If you double tap the button, it spins around. Holy moly. And it seems to be holding where I'm looking. Look at this camera. Oh. Okay, and now what happens if I double tap it again? Centered. Recentered. Okay, what about one time? All follow. Lock mode. Okay, so now I figured from me, how do I get it back to me, guys? I'll hold it down. Nothing. Ah, 3 times. 3 times gets it back to me. Oh, you guys thought of it. Oh, I'm so proud. I like it. So it's 3 times does the whichever way you want to go. Alright, so we've got it this way. Right, we're driving. 3 times right back to me. Okay. We've got this. I am a happy camper. Me. Those 3 clicks, whipped around. Now you're watching where I'm going. But I'm happy. I got 10 minutes on this recording. I'm gonna go ahead and pause it. I'm gonna start a new one. Maybe. Talk about some stuff. Boom. Trail riding with the Feiyu Pocket gimbal. Boy. So, here's my path that I'm traveling, and it's fairly bumpy. You can say my hand's going to absorb, you know, a good percentage of this. Boom. I don't know how that looked, but kind of lost my footing a little bit. Here we go. Now my biggest concern would be to drop this, as I just spent, you know, a substantial amount of money on it. Just looking at this little bit here. I'm fat, so I gotta carry this a little bit because the torque's just not there yet for these one wheels and fat people. You'd think carrying this thing around quite a bit would help me shred the pounds. Shed the pounds. Here we go again. This time I'm gonna send it forward and show you what the one wheel looks like while riding. Alright, so tell me what you think. I do kind of want to ride around with this a little bit longer out on the trail. My only concern is I really don't want to fall holding this bad boy. Where you want to go?
Why?
Well, because you're in the sun. Alright, so I've been spending some time with this Feiyu Pocket. I lost my face. What are you doing? Get up there. And I like it. The guys at Feiyu could do just a little bit more on their face tracking, but all in all, you just watched me go up my bumpy driveway. Couldn't tell much, could you? Could you? Yeah. Come on, get on my eyes. So a couple suggestions that I would make to Feiyu. First would be, let me have a dial digitally to adjust the camera. Like right now, it's, you know, getting me, but not very well. So I'd like that in a firmware update. You know, when it grabs my face, it does perfect. But as a firmware update, on my touch screen, give me an option to select a location to track. Give me a joystick, up, down, left, right. That way I can adjust the camera there. And take the 3-tap mode button and put that on the screen. Let me just tap the screen 3 times while I'm recording to flip the camera around. Let me see if that happens right now. 1, 2, 3. Nothing. Okay. So I've just tapped the camera 3 times. Nothing happened. It does fit in your pocket. I've been walking around with it in my scrubs inside its little case that it comes with for a week now. It feels nice. I mean, you don't really know it's there. It's no different than having a whatever in your pocket. Anyhow, this Feiyu Pocket is so cool. And let's do the flip around in the traffic thing again. Bam! And now you're driving with me. So, this is what I get to see on my morning commute. Back into cars. But, I mean, this is kind of cool. Let's say you saw something while you were driving. You can pull this out, get it. You don't have to keep looking at the camera. As long as you're just holding it there, it's recording. So, that's something that could be, if you were going to risk driving while doing other things at the same time, this camera could be something for you because it does stabilize the video. It's kind of neat that I'm turning and the camera is feeling the gravity of the turn, so it's trying to level that. I like that a lot. I tricked it. Now let's go back to normal. Oh, that's so awesome. That's so cool. So I'm heading to work and thinking about my Feiyu Pocket. So I guess I'll chit chat with you guys later.